Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Goodnotes 5 as a beginner and just kind of a little walkthrough of how I take my notes. So when you first open the app, obviously if you've just purchased it you won't see the folders, but you can click new and you have the option to create a notebook, folder, image, scan documents, any of those. So say we want to go folder. So I can name the folder school, then in school I can have another folder for PE. In that folder we'll go on notebook and cover. So these are some custom covers that I've imported myself, but you get a load of them for free once you purchase Goodnotes. So yeah, there's lots to choose from. You can also change the layout between landscape and portrait, and also you can change the language that Goodnotes recognises. So we'll go on to paper. I also made some to-do list templates which I've included here, and a chemistry template, and these pastel note-taking templates that are on my Etsy shop. And yeah, these are all the different templates that you can use. There's Cornell notes, like black paper templates, so many different templates for whatever you're using Goodnotes for. So you've got a to-do list, weekly planners, everything you can imagine. So let's just go for some white squared paper, and then we'll go with example create. So get Apple Pencil out. One of my favourite features as well with Goodnotes is the ability to open multiple different tabs, so you can flick between your notes, which is incredibly useful. Anyway, so let's talk about some settings. So you're able to copy page, rotate page, add page to outline, change template, go to page, whatever. And also scrolling direction, so you can have it set to horizontal or you can set it to vertical, so you've got the page templates there, and it is so easy just to change between the two of them, which I really like. And then you've got stylus and palm rejection. You can select what stylus you're using, and then your writing posture. So for me, I kind of write fairly straight down. And document editing, there's so many different features that you can add. Yeah, that's that. So firstly, we're going to start with the top bar. We click on these little squares here. This shows you all of the pages in the document. Click select and say I want to delete that. Click trash. Yeah, that basically just shows you all the pages, and you can favourite pages so you can quickly go back to them later, things like that. Search, you can basically just type any word and it will find it in the document, so you can skip to different parts. Obviously it's a blank document so I can't do that now, but we can bookmark the page, export the page in so many different ways. And then you've got the undo and redo buttons. Also have like an add page, which automatically adds a page for you, which is super handy. You've also got the function where you can turn off the pencil features, so this is quite handy when you're just reading notes and you don't want to accidentally draw on them. And yeah, I've already shown you those settings. So if we go back to example, we first have like the little magnifying glass feature, and we'll just write in here, hello YouTube. And then this is a setting, it's called Auto Advance, and I really recommend it. It just makes writing on Goodnotes so seamless and very, very helpful. So if we go onto the rubber and just quickly rub that out, let's talk about pen settings. So first we have fountain pen. We will go with 0.5mm. So that's an example of the fountain pen. And then we'll go with ballpoint, which is my favourite. And finally, the brush pen, which I don't use because I can't actually do calligraphy. But I know for people, yeah, as you can see, I'm really awful. But yeah, you're able to save your 3 favourite colours, and you can customise your presets, which is really nice, and you can have your 3 favourite sizes of pen. Next we have eraser. There's so many different options. You can use the erase entire stroke, on and off, erase highlighter only, and auto deselect. And next we have a highlighter, which is really nice. I always have the drawing straight line on because it makes things so much easier. And then if we go to the shape tool, we can draw some shapes for you, and that's really handy. Obviously you can turn off fill colour, so it isn't shaded in. And next we have the lasso, which is self-explanatory really. You can move things around with it. And next we have the image tool, which you have your most recent images here, or if you want to have a better look, you can just tap on the page. And then same again for the camera, which will just allow you to take a photo. And then we have the text feature, which I use for titles because, like I said, I can't do calligraphy. Yeah, and then you have the laser pointer feature if you're doing a presentation or running through some stuff with a class. Yeah, so another feature is the split screen, so I can have this open whilst I have my other notes on the other side. And if I want to get rid of that, I can. But yeah, that is Goodnotes, and this is a few examples of some notes that I've been taking. Let's go. So for my Goodnotes, I set it up as A levels, and I have year 1 and year 2, and then we go biology, and then we'll go to cell structure, and these are the notes I've taken on here. So yeah, it's a very good app. I totally recommend it if you're looking to take digital notes. But yeah, for watching. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you aren't already, click the subscribe button down below and join the fam. Hit the like button if you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed. See you later, and I hope you'll be back for more in the future.